Since we have started exercise 9.3 sequence series NCERT book and till question number 19 we have done. So today we'll start from question number 20 and the question is, show that the product of the corresponding terms of the sequences, okay, two sequences given A, AR square, okay, A r to the power n minus 1. This is the first sequence. Another sequence is capital A, capital A, capital R, capital A, capital R square and capital A, capital R to the power n minus 1. Okay. So these are the two sequences and these are in GP. So what is given and what the question is, to show that the product of the corresponding terms of the sequences form a GP. Okay, product of corresponding terms means A R into AR square into AR square, okay, dot 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 small a r to the power n minus 1 into capital A r to the power n minus 1. These are the products of corresponding terms of the sequences, and what we have to prove, we have to prove that these are in GP. Okay, this we have to do prove. Okay, and also we have to find out the common ratio. Okay, so first of all ये जो sequence हमने product का जो हमने निकाला, so to prove that these are in GP we have to compare, we have to find out the ratio. So what will be the ratio? Second term divided by first term, A2 divided by A1, okay, that will be equal to AR, capital AR divided by small a, capital A cancel, A cancel. So what is the ratio? Small r into capital R. Okay, this will be the ratio. Now we can check for the second another terms के लिए A3 upon A2 भी करके देखते हैं. So what value we are getting? AR square upon small a. Okay, A2 is AR into AR. Okay, now A cancel, A cancel. ये R तो एक R cancel हो सकता है, this one. So what we are getting? Small r into capital R. Okay, so first term, second term, the ratio of A2 upon A1 and ratio A3 upon A2 are same. So both condition mein what ratio we are getting? Ratio is R into capital R, small r into capital R, so that we can say that this sequence is in GP. Okay, now hence it is proved. Now we'll move to the next question, that is question number 21. And the question is, find the four numbers forming a geometric progression. The four numbers can be first term A, second term AR, third term AR square and fourth term AR to the power 3, right? These are the four, these can be the four terms which has the common ratio R, and first term is A. Okay, now what we have to find out, in which the condition is given in which the third term is greater than the first term by 9. So third term is greater than, it means third term minus first term is equal to 9. Okay, this is the first condition given, and second condition kya given hai? And one more thing is given, the second term is greater than the fourth by 18. Okay, so second term is greater than fourth term by 18. Okay, so the second term minus fourth term will be 18. Now we'll find out, we'll simplify this. A common lenge, R square minus 1 will be equal to 9. Okay, equation 1. Now we'll solve this one. AR 1 minus R square will be equal to 18. Equation 2. If we'll divide these two, equation 1 upon equation 2, what value will be getting? Or equation 2 minus equation 2 divided by equation 1 करते हैं, we get, what we'll get? a r into 1 minus r square divided by a into r square minus 1 is equal to 18 upon 9. तो ये तो हमें 2 मिलेगा. Now a cancel कर देंगे, what will get? r into 1 minus r square will be, can we write 1 minus r into 1 plus r? Okay, divided by r square minus 1. So what we can write? R minus 1 into r plus 1. So 1 plus r or r plus 1 तो equally होता है, we'll cut, and here we are getting 2. So it means if we'll take minus common r में, so क्या मिलेगा? R minus 1 we can write here, and this one is r minus 1 and this one will be 2. Okay, it means minus r is equal to 2, so r will be equal to minus 2. ठीक है, r का value we got. Now what we have to find out? We have to find out the 4 terms. So first term, first of all we have to find out. So किसी भी एक equation में we can take equation 1 या equation 2, any equation. Okay, equation 1 लेते हैं, this equation, and we'll put the value of r is equal to minus 2. Okay, so a into r square minus 1 is equal to 9. Okay, now we'll put the value of r is equal to minus 2. So a into minus 2 का power 2 will be equal to 4 minus 1 is equal to 9. Okay, so a into 4 minus 1 will be 3 is equal to 9. Cancel, will get 3. A will be equal to 3. Okay, now a and r both are known, so we can find out the value of a. A is first term will be 3, and second term ar. Ar will be equal to 3 into minus 2, that will be minus 6. Third term will be ar square. 3 into minus 2 का square. So 3 into 4. 3 into 4 will be 12. Now next term ar to the power 3. This is the fourth term. 3 into minus 2 का cube. So 3 into minus 2 का cube will be minus 24. Okay. So the terms are, the sequence जो है that will be, first term is 3, second term is minus 6, third term is 12, and fourth term is minus 24. Okay. Now we'll move to the next question, that is question number 22. Okay, in this question what we have to do, we have to if the question is, if the pth term, qth term and rth term of a GP are ABC, it means a r to the power p minus 1 will be equal to a r to the power qth term na, so q minus 1 will be equal to b, that is given b, because it's given कि pth term, qth term and rth term are a, b, c respectively. So pth term will be a into r to the power p minus 1, qth term a into r to the power q minus 1. Here we have taken capital A, capital R, because a small a से confusion होगा, and r is also there na, rth term, so that's why r से भी confusion होगा. So we have taken capital A will be the first term and capital R will be the ratio. Okay, and this will be C. Okay, now based on this one, what we have to find out, we have to find out what we have to prove. We have to prove a to the power q minus r into b to the power r minus p into c to the power p minus q will be equal to 1. Okay, this we have to prove. So we'll start from LHS. We'll take LHS. So LHS is a to the power q minus r into b to the power r minus p into c to the power p minus q. ठीक है. So what we'll do now, we'll put the value of a, b and c. So क्या होगा? a into r to the power p minus 1. This is the value of a, and to the power q minus r into b का value is a to the power r, b का value is this one ना, a का value ये and b का value ये, this one is c का value. So we'll put the value of a, b, c here. So b instead of this b we can write a into r to the power q minus 1. Okay, and to the power r minus p. Why we are writing r minus p? Because यहाँ पे r minus p is written. B का power is r minus p. So B का value will take from here and then r minus p will write. Okay. Now similarly C का value is a into r to the power r minus 1 and उसका power is q. यहाँ पे क्या है p minus q. So we'll write here p minus q. Now we'll simplify this. अभी हम सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे. व्हाट विल गेट a का पार q माइनस 1 सॉरी q माइनस r. तो a का पार q माइनस r इंटू r का पार p माइनस 1 इंटू q माइनस r. ठीक है. नाउ a का पार यहाँ पे a का पार r माइनस p इंटू r का पार q minus 1 into r minus p. Okay. Now a का पार p minus q into r का पार r minus 1 into p minus q. Okay. So what we'll do here, a का पार all are in multiplication. So can we write a का पार this one plus this one plus this one. Okay, so a का पार q minus r plus r minus p plus q minus p minus q. Okay, into r का पार can we write this one and this one. So p minus 1 into q minus r plus q minus 1 into r minus p plus r minus 1 into p minus q. Okay, now we'll solve this one. See what value we are getting. So a ka power what will get? See q minus q cancel, minus r plus r cancel, minus p plus p cancel. So a ka power 0. That is anything. किसी भी चीज का power 0 मतलब 1. The value will be 1. Okay. Now r का power will solve this one. p minus 1 into q minus r. तो p into q, pq minus q and then r से multiply करेंगे तो we'll write minus pr minus minus plus r. Okay, अब this one q into r will be qr, minus 1 into q will be minus 1 into r will be minus r, then minus p into q will be minus pq and minus p into minus 1 will be plus p. ठीक है. Now this one r into p will be pr, minus 1 into p will be minus p, minus q into r will be minus qr and minus q into minus 1 will be minus minus plus q. Okay. So अभी ये ब्रैकेट जो है उसे हम क्लोज करेंगे. नाउ माइनस q प्लस q minus qr plus qr plus r minus r minus pq plus pq minus pr plus pr cancel. Now plus p minus p सब कुछ cancel हो गया. So what value we are getting? a to the power 0 will be 1 and r का power भी 0. So r का power 0 will be 1. So what value will be getting? 1 and that is equal to RHS. Okay. See this one we have to prove. Okay, so we can write hence proved. Okay, now we'll move to the next question, that is question number 23. Okay, and the question is, if the first term and the nth term of a GP are, okay, first term is given, nth term is given. Okay, the first term is A and nth term is B. Okay, and if P is the product of n terms. Okay, तो इसके बीच में जो सारे terms हैं, it will be A R square dot dot dot. Okay, so B is basically A R to the power n minus 1. Okay, B is equal to A R to the power n minus 1. That is B. Now what we have to find out? We have to find out the P is the product. Okay, prove that P square will be equal to A to. Okay, what we have to prove? P square will be equal to AB to the power n. ये हमें prove करना है. and that is given. P is the product of n terms. It means a into a to the a into r into a r square into a r to the power 3 dot 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 a r to the power n minus 1. ओके सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल क्या करेंगे, दिस इज a के साथ r का पावर है 0 से लेकर n माइनस, सो n टर्म्स में a है, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल विल रिमूव a n. सो व्हाट इज लेफ्ट बिहाइंड, r टू द पावर मतलब r टू द पावर 0 से लेकर r टू द पावर n माइनस 1 तक. सो 0 1 ओके से लेकर r माइनस सॉरी n माइनस 1 तक. ओके नाउ व्हाट वी कैन डू, a का पावर is n into r का पावर will be 0 से लेकर n minus 1 तक, that will be equal to n into n minus 1 divided by 2. So a to the power n into r to the power n into n minus 1 divided by 2, this will be the value of p. Okay, now p square we have to find out value. P square is equal to ab to the power n. ये हमें find out करना है. Okay, now a to the power p square will be a to the power 2n into r to the power 2 into 2n into n minus 1 divided by 2. ये cancel. So what value will be getting? We'll be getting a. Can we write a to the power 2n को can we write an into an? Okay, an into an into r to the power n into n minus 1. Okay, now what we can do, square we have done, so it means a to the power n into a to the power n, and we have written a to the power n r to the power n into n minus 1. ये हमने लिखा है. So ये दोनों में से n we can take. Can we write a to the power n into a into r to the power n minus 1 का पावर n can we write, because यहाँ भी n है यहाँ भी n है both. Okay, यहाँ पे भी n है यहाँ पे भी n है, we can take n common और बाहर ले सकते हैं. It means the power will be n. Okay, now a r n minus 1 that should be equal, that is equal to b, है ना. So we can write here a to the power n into b to the power n. Okay, so can we write p square a b to the power whole n. यही प्रूव करना था ना हमें, this one. Okay, hence proved. Okay, I hope you understood the sums. For any query, any doubt, please comment. Do like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you.